Hey guys, since I am deciding to go on this scrapbooking journey, I wanted to go over everything I got with you guys just in case you're considering doing a baby scrapbook for your child as well. Just gonna want to share what I got and why I got it, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with the book I chose. Now, traditionally, I have old scrapbooking stuff that you would go with these pages that have the tongs on them to put in a book and then you put a sleeve over it. Instead of doing that, I chose to do a spiral bound. Of course, the downside of that is that you can't add pages, so once this is filled, I would have to get a new one. But I kind of liked that because then I could get multiple different books and they all have different colors. So like when she starts school or for different holidays, I could have different colored scrapbooks for different colored things. So like the ideas and everything is endless for whatever you want to do. So of course, like I said, they are just pages, so you could do front, back, whatever you want to do. I kind of just decided to do this because I was thinking about doing junk journaling, but I've done scrapbooking. I know scrapbooking, so I stuck with that. Just kind of wanted to do it in a smaller version than something big. Next, I got these multiple pages of different colors. I kind of liked these because then I could use them as backgrounds or I could cut them into different things. Like the endless possibilities to use these colors is like what I want, because then I can just create whatever I want with them, which really makes me happy. Of course, I did go with the standard background ones that you can buy that have specific things as the background, because of course there are some designs that I definitely want a specific background for, kind of like the 4th of July ones. They do have ones that actually give you like the paper and stickers. I actually found this one with my scrapbooking stuff, so I might use that when I get to that page, but it kind of depends on what you're looking for. Next, I did go overboard on stickers, so I got like smaller stickers and then bigger stickers, but I got multiple different ones because I liked the different words on them, and really I can just kind of cut out what I want to use on the page, kind of design the page before I stick them down to kind of figure out what I want to do. But for me, I just kind of like having options for what I think in my head that I want to design. So for me, having a bunch of different stickers was key. The next thing I've never used before, but I did get, is these like decorative tapes. It actually is a full year, so it goes from January to December. I actually got cat ones as well to make a cat page. This is really interesting to me. I am, excited to figure out how to use them on the pages and, do designs with them. Next, I just did standard glue sticks. Instead of doing like tape or anything, I did glue to kind of just hold everything together. And lastly, I went to Walmart, and I actually did this on the website. I went on and I chose the pictures I wanted to do and do wallet sizes, because wallet sizes would do really good in this book. And on top of that, they come in, print as 2. So you get 2 of every photo. So I thought if for some reason I messed up and I needed a photo to replace, I would have extras, or I could give them to family members, or me and my husband could keep them. Whatever we kind of decide to do with them. But I like that there's 2 of each one, because again, if I mess up, I can replace them. So that is everything that I got from Hobby Lobby.